bouncing, stores run dry. Tell me, Joe, why the poor gotta cry? Gas so high, can't drive to work. Struggling folks left out in the dirt. Big tech rules while the people fall. They silence the truth, controlling us all. Say it for change, but it's all the same. Different suit, just a different name. Two-faced speeches, dodging the blame. Pointing fingers, playing the game. Selling us out, backroom deals while we're stuck choosing meals or bills. Veterans homeless, streets full of pain, yet billions sent overseas like rain. America lasts while the rich stack high. Time to wake up, see through the lies.